Guys, I just lost to a cheater, and I want to show you the game because everybody likes to see games that cheaters played, right? Anyway, I think it'll be an interesting lesson in how to know if you played a cheater. So watch this. Watch the opening. Notice how fast we're both moving. Boom, boom, boom. We're taking like a second or less for every move. Okay, this is pretty normal stuff. And then right here. Okay, this is by the way, this is one of the openings I teach in my course. Okay, so I've studied this position a lot, and I know like a lot of what happens after this. So they have to take it, which is the best move, and then I take back. But look at the time usage. Every move was a second, and then right here it was like bam, big think. Now, initially when I was playing the game, I thought, okay, this is normal. Like the guy's just thinking, because that's what you do if you're surprised by a move. You just think about it, right? Or he was going and getting a separate window, browser, on his phone, whatever, plugging in the moves to Stockfish, which is what was actually happening. I didn't know it at the time, but I found out later. I'm going to show you how I found it out. So, okay, and watch the time usage from here on out. Watch this carefully. He's at 2 minutes and 14 seconds. He spends 5 seconds to move the queen to d7, which, by the way, is the best move. You can ignore the thing. The engine is confused because this is such a complicated position, but queen d7 is the best move. So he plays the best move in 5 seconds. Bishop g5. Ooh, super tricky move because it looks like I'm just giving up my knight for free, but I'm actually not, because I'm setting up for the pin, but I'm not going to do it straight away because he could block with the knight. So what I'm going to do is take the knight first, and then I'm going to pin the queen. The point is, it's a very tricky move. And most people, I've played this a lot at the top level, and everybody pauses here and is like, wait a second, what's going on? Because it's a tricky position. You have to stop and think. Look at the time usage. 7 seconds, and he grabs the knight, which is the best move, but it's like not the human move to give up the queen, right? That's a Stockfish kind of thing. But let's keep going. So I captured here. Now, the only move that makes sense here would be, from a human perspective, I would think would be to take this, and then you go into this line where, okay, you lose the queen, but you have a bunch of pieces, and the game goes on, right? But what does he play? And look at the time usage. After 5 seconds, he plays king d7, which, by the way, is the best move. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what's going to happen. So I'm like, well, game goes on. Best move, top engine move. Look at the time usage. 5 seconds later, he plays king to c8. All right, that's not really a crazy move. Why does it keep saying that message? That's weird. Anyway, queen f3, top engine move. Look at the time usage. Okay, that one was a little bit longer, but all right, whatever. Knight to d7. Bring the rook over. Tricky position. What do you play? You probably should think about this, or you could just take it in 7 seconds because that's what the engine says to do. Rook takes. Moves the queen in 4 seconds, okay? And here, I'm so upset at myself because I think I would have still won this game if I didn't make this mistake. I was anticipating bishop c5 check because this is really common. Like I said, I've played this position a lot. Usually when the pawn moves, everybody throws in the check because it's with the tempo, and then they'll bring the rook over or whatever. He goes bishop d6, which, okay, bishop d6 is a top engine move by a little bit. Bishop c5 is also good, but I was anticipating king h1 to meet bishop c5, and I wanted to play it quickly. And so as soon as he moved the bishop, I just, like, my finger, like, slipped before I could realize that it actually went to d6 instead of c5. So, yeah, that was on me, like, just blunder the rook. And now it's easy for black. You want a rook. But look, again, look at the time usage. 3 seconds to take that back, okay. Okay, look at the time usage. It's like literally about 5 seconds every single move. And every one of these moves, by the way, is top engine move. Every single one. Top engine move, top engine move, top engine move. That's, I mean, most people are going to be thinking about like, ooh, let's not get checkmated. No, he's just like, nope, who cares about that? Because I have this, and I'm going for this. And how long did it take me to think about that? Oh, yeah. This one he spent 20 seconds, whatever. Every single move. I'll show you the accuracy. The accuracy. Where's it at? 98.3 in one of the trickiest and most complicated tactical openings that I have ever played. Totally cheated. I reported him, and I'm pretty confident. I know there's going to be somebody in the comments who says, Nelson, you're just a sore loser. This was a legit game. I'm not buying it. I think this is 100% about as clear-cut of a cheating case as you can get. Why? By the way, why does the eval bar say equal? It's kind of funny. It's not equal. Stockfish is kind of losing its mind right now. It's mate and 3 for black. Anyway, that's what cheating looks like. If you're wondering, there you have it. And it's the time usage was the big giveaway, right? Especially during that middle early game. I think this person maybe started playing for real some point here at the end, these last couple moves, because I do think they're a strong player. But I think they cheated in that particular game. Like 99% sure. Anyway, see you guys next time. Hopefully this was enjoyable to watch, even though it's mostly just me ranting. Anyway, stay sharp, play smart, and take care.